In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Discord token. Quick but crucial safety note, your Discord token is essentially the keys to your account. Anyone who has it can read your messages, join servers, change settings, everything. For that reason, I will not demonstrate pulling a user token out of your browser or the desktop app. Exposing or using a user token outside the official login flows violates Discord's terms of service and puts your account at serious risk. This guide will walk you through safe, compliant alternatives so you can achieve the same outcomes without risking your account or violating platform rules. So what should you do instead? If your goal is to build a bot or integrate with Discord's API, use the official developer portal. Sign in on the official Discord site, create a new application, add a bot to it, and use the bot token that's generated for that application. That token is designed for automation, and it's entirely separate from your personal account. Store it safely as an environment variable or in a secrets manager. Never hard code it in your repository, and rotate it immediately if you think it might have been exposed. If you're troubleshooting account access or an integration that asks for a Discord token, be very cautious. Legitimate apps will use OAuth2, which opens a consent window where you approve exactly what the app can access. You should never paste a personal token into a website script or message. If something asks for it, treat that as a red flag. A few quick security best practices while we're here. Turn on two-factor authentication for your Discord account. Keep your browser and Discord app up to date. Avoid downloading unofficial clients or extensions that claim to enhance Discord, and don't run code snippets you don't fully understand. If you ever suspect your account details might have been exposed, change your password right away, log out of all devices from your account settings, and review connected apps to revoke any you don't recognize. For bot projects, regenerate the bot token in the developer portal and update it securely wherever your app is deployed. To sum up, your personal Discord token is not something you need to fetch or view, and trying to do so can create serious security issues. Use the official developer portal for bots, OAuth2 for app authorization, and strong security practices to keep your account safe. Thanks for watching and stay secure online.